I'm sorry from the last video we did a tour, but
Okay, where are you at?
It's messy, and right now I don't know. Right now I turned on the TV and it said that. I just wanted to show you that. It was super cool, and I yelled out, "Mom, Dad, everything."
Hey, let's start from like the door.
Let's start from the door. Sorry if I copy everything my mom says in every video. I will stop doing that. So here's where we walked in, and my dad was like,
So what type of room is this?
a teeny door. This is a big room.
It's a 1-bedroom villa
It's a 1-bedroom villa
at Disney's Riviera Resort.
at Disney's Riviera Resort. And they have shops, and I think it's the one where you eat with the princesses, right?
Yes, I don't know how to pronounce the name of it. It's
I think last
something
time you
Tropifoli
seen-
something,
yeah,
but
maybe.
it is
Last time
it's not
you've
princesses. It's Mickey and
Minis. Minis.
yeah, it's like Mickey and Friends, like a French
Last
type
time
breakfast.
You might have seen me with 2 teeth, but now
So they have these really interesting mirrors. That's the connecting to the room next door. So you walk in. It also, you can come through here. Kind of goes in a circle.
Here's the kitchen.
So, kitchen, you have a full refrigerator.
And here's the dining room right here. They're
Fully stocked as far as
as we go around.
dishes.
As we go around, we're gonna see this. The bed. I'm talking
And
to my nose with a light voice right now. Trying
We've
not
got all daddy's
to see the normal voice.
got work on the table we forgot to remove.
Yeah.
Cool table with
Do not look at
storage.
it.
Don't look at the work.
You have it.
Don't look at what pays for us to be here.
Hold on, let's go to the bed.
hold on. There's a lot of stuff in here. Like,
Let's show the balcony.
okay, hold on. Look, what's this?
This is an open
Does that fold up?
thing. I'll show you what it does. Remember from the last room tour video before the
All right, just get to the bed.
Hold it, because Mom's yelling at me.
Mom is not yelling at you. Watch your hands.
Help me. That's not helping me at all. I wanted to sit there.
So it's a Murphy bed.
Yep.
So you've got a twin bed here, and then this also
As you can see, I
pulls
have
down.
Here's the balcony.
Maybe.
Oh, and also I forgot to mention that Dad is finally in one of our videos. Let's go
What?
see.
No, we're not gonna go see Daddy while he's on the balcony.
Okay.
We'll see when he comes in because we're gonna have to have him help us pull this down.
Yeah.
And so we have a view of the splash pad area out here and the theme pool. And it is like 1 a.m. You're hosting this video, child. Come back. And the water, and that is Caribbean Beach over there. And the Skyliner also runs through there, but can't see it at night right now. So,
Let's go to the bedroom. The bedroom is also
this bedroom is king.
bed.
You're right, it is a king bed.
You can lie down on it. You see my hair?
It has some Aristocats artwork.
And you can jump on it.
No, you can't jump on it.
Show me for a second. You may know that that my hair's still played from the last video. We did it like two months ago, I think, and then 1 month ago from the last video. And you may see some blue as the wind blows through. So here's the transformation after that day. And
So,
if you've been wanting
we've got a lot of storage.
comment
We've got-
down below. Go down below, click that button to subscribe and notifications, and like this video.
So we have a closet with all our junk in it already. Okay, we don't
Do
need
not
to
show our diary.
our diary.
Yes,
Um,
our diary.
We have a desk here. That is the
Hello,
balcony.
Yes.
And then we come in here to the bathroom.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I might take a nap right now.
What about taking a bath?
What if there was a waterfall, you guys? Comment down below if you want a waterfall. Are you spitting, Monica?
I am really excited about this. Monica,
Let's go around.
I think we've got to get this. Okay, we'll have to edit this later. Not that I know how to edit. Anyway, okay. Oh, this video is going well. Okay. We really need a GoPro. This shower is awesome.
As you can see, we have this. Here, want me to demonstrate it?
What are you going to demonstrate?
No. This. I'm not trying to get myself soaked. Here's. I think this one's the one shower head, and I think this one shower stand back. Stand back, guys. Stand back. 3, 2, 1, 0. It's not very long. That's the one. Wait. Next. Oh! We tried the lane shower one. There's the demonstration. Time travel.
Time travel. We have another sink area.
Stop hurting me,
Ooh.
Mom.
Then we're back to the front door and we have more storage in here.
What is this?
And extra pillows and stuff. And this.
Ow!
And
Ow!
this, you have a washer and dryer. And
And he has the carpet. Don't stop on me.
part 2 of the video coming soon. Did you find Monica?
I found a hidden Mickey on here. Comment down below if you've seen this pillow in the video and you've seen this. Yes, you need to find this video somewhere. You need to find this somewhere in the video. Make sure to comment down below if you find it or not, because we're showing you. And
I think they found it. It's right there.
yes. I'm not going to tell you. No.
Okay.
Hello guys, finally that's one of our
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
What am I doing here?
He's gonna go around the back.
Who's he?
Can't do it.
Who's he?
You know who you are, Dad.
Oh, I guess I'm doing it then. All right, come here. You gonna help me or what?
Please, and then
You gotta help. Come on. We gotta. Gosh, dang, that's heavy, isn't it? All right. You think that's out of the way? Hey, that's my toes.
Oh,
Now what do we do?
hold down.
Pull down. Move that pillow.
Move that stupid pillow.
Move out of the way, babe.
Yeah, Monica, get out of the way.
Monica, move. You ready? Pull.
Wow.
It's a bed.
And now you have an
Bed,
extra.
bed, bed.
It's a double bed, or it's a double, not a queen, right?
It's queen beds. I think it's queen. I love
Peter
this.
Pan. And look, it's got USBs and it's got
On
full.
both sides.
Wow.
But it doesn't light up like the ones in the Port Orleans
That do the fireworks.
Yeah. Oh, I mean it's got that.
Okay. Yep.
It would be cool if the stars lit up.
Like twinkled and Tinkerbell flew through it.
Something like, I mean, it sort of kind of is Disney. They're capable of everything, right?
Yes.
Okay, show us the balcony, Montana.
Come on. In the balcony, you can climb up the bed and there's. Oh yes.
Bathrooms out there?
What?
There's a
Balcony.
bathroom out
I
there?
said
Oh.
balcony.
Oh, there's a bathroom.
You can get to it from here and from the bedroom.
That's why I couldn't open it.
Goodness gracious. Okay. We're on the 3rd floor. The last time we stayed here, we were up there, way up there. Get back. There's some people. Looks like I'm filming them.
Wait, Mom.
She found Montana and Monica found another hidden Mickey.
She already did it. 2. Like, there's 2 hidden Mickeys.
Montana's angry. Comment down below if you think Montana's angry.
And if you see... Today I am going... It's the next day. And that's finally just chilling. I ate breakfast and I'm going to show you what my dad ate. That is like that. I have no idea why I showed you my breakfast, but I might take a nap. I want to record it here. As you can see, I brushed my hair. Real. Alright. 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 I don't know why I just showed you that. I'll show you when we get to Hollywood. Bye. We're here at...
I tell you, I just got over it a couple of weeks ago.
I guess she wasn't affected by it. So we had our perception all messed up the other night when we were looking out here. The Skyliner's actually over there. We're on the opposite side of the building. And there is the feature pool, slide, and the splash area. And this is not where we stayed last time. Stayed on the other side of the building. So I was all confused. But that is Caribbean Beach. I was right about that. And I can't figure out why the pool looks so weird over here. Looks like a giant hot tub. There's a little beach area down here.
We're going to the pool right now, and it's very complicated. I'm just kidding. We're going to the pool, and I can't wait. And we're doing the Halloween party tonight. Well, in a few hours. And watch us run down this big thing.
Yeah?
You have
Oh, you said I didn't?
This says about penetrating, so you could throw the cardboard away. See?
Oh, yeah?